Now hello students, now in today's video we will continue the practice set 6.1. Okay, question number 6, prove that in previous video we have solved 6 examples from practice set 6.1 from question number 6. Now 7th example is like this: sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, so here there is one printing mistake in your textbook. Instead of this sin raised to 4 theta, in textbook there is a sec raised to 4 theta is there. Okay, you just make that correction. Now we consider the left hand side here. LH is equal to, that is left hand side is equal to sin raised to 4 theta, sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta, that is equal to, now sin raised to 4 theta we can write as sin square theta bracket square minus, here we can write it as cos square theta bracket square. Now this we can write as a square minus b square. This is of this form, a square minus b square. Now a square minus b square formula is, in first bracket there is a plus b, in second bracket there is a minus b. So these are a, these are b. So by this formula you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta in one bracket. In another bracket there will be sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, but sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, and here you will get only sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, since this is the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, now on right hand side there is only 1 minus 2 cos square theta, that means sin square theta term is not there, but here we got sin square theta, so we find the value for sin square theta. So you will get sin square theta is equal to 1, and this cos square theta on right hand side it comes as minus cos square theta. Okay, so you will get this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. This is the value for sin square theta minus cos square theta. समझ में आ रहा है? ये अपनी आइडेंटिटी है, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. उस पर से sin स्क्वायर थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, क्योंकि राइट हैंड साइड में अपने को sin थीटा नहीं चाहिए. इसका मतलब अपने को sin थीटा क्या करना है, रिमूव करना है. ओके, सो वी फाइंड वैल्यू फॉर sin थीटा, और वो sin थीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ पे यूज किया हमने, 1 माइनस sin cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 cos स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड दैट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू RHS. ये वैल्यू किसके इक्वल रहेगी, RHS के. एंड देयरफॉर sin रेज टू 4 थीटा माइनस cos रेज टू 4 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा 7th एग्जाम्पल. उसके बाद में एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8 है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8 दैट इज sec थीटा प्लस tan थीटा, sec थीटा प्लस tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा upon 1 minus sin theta, upon 1 minus sin theta. So again we consider left hand side, that is LH is equal to, it is sec theta plus tan theta. Now in sec theta plus tan theta we can't use any formula. Okay, there is no any standard formula is there. So what we do, we just convert this sec theta and tan theta in terms of sin and cos. So sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta, and this tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so here both denominators are equal, so we just take denominator common, that is cos theta, and just add the numerators, that is 1 plus sin theta. Now on right hand side we need 1 minus sin theta in denominator, but there is no chance to get this 1 minus sin theta in the denominator. So what we do, we do one adjustment here, we take extra term, that 1 minus sin theta in denominator. Okay, and to cancel this we multiply that numerator also by 1 minus sin theta, so that this 1 minus sin theta get cancelled and original sum is remain as it is. Okay, now here fractions of two multiplication of two fractions are there, so you multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So you will get 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is of this form, a plus b into a minus b. ये फॉर्म में है, वो फॉर्मूला आएगा a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन दिस cos थीटा into bracket 1 minus sin theta. Okay, but 1 minus sin square theta, but 1 minus sin square theta from this formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we need 1 minus sine square theta. So keep cos square theta as it is. You will get 1 minus sine square theta. Take this sine square theta on right hand side. So it get minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta we can write as cos square theta upon this cos theta into bracket 1 minus sine theta. So this sine theta, cos theta, this cos theta get cancelled, and you will get cos theta upon 1 minus sine theta, and that value we have to prove, and that is equal to RHS, and therefore LHS equal to RHS. Yes, any doubt? कोई डाउट है इसके अंदर? तो ये हिसाब से क्या करने का, ये एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8 ये अपने को सॉल्व करना है. ओके, नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9. Example number 9. Example is like this: if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then prove that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to also 2. That we have to prove. Okay, so solution is like this. First we write the given. Since tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, this is given. And what we have to prove? Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. That means square term is there. So we have to take stacking square on both sides. So for that, taking square on both sides. दोनों साइड में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? स्क्वायर लेंगे. ओके, सो यू विल गेट tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta bracket square is equal to 2 square. Now here we apply this formula a plus b bracket square. So a plus b bracket square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. Okay, so this is our a, this is our b. So apply that formula. So you will get tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2 square, that is 4. 2 square is 4. So this tan theta get cancelled, and you will get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta, okay, is equal to 4, and this plus 2 on right hand side becomes minus 2. That is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2, and therefore tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. On that only we have to prove. ये अपने क्या करना था? प्रूव करने का था. Okay, any doubt in this? No? Okay, come to next example, which is 10th one. That is tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. Sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Okay, that we have to prove. Solution. Now we have this identity 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So from this we find the value for tan square theta. Very थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप से इसको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो tan square theta is equal to, it will be sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1, and therefore this tan square theta is nothing but tan theta into tan theta is equal to, now this sec square theta minus 1, that means sec square theta minus 1 square, which is again of this form a square minus b square. Same formula we have to use as a plus b into a minus b. So here we will get sec theta plus 1, in second bracket it is sec theta minus 1, and therefore you will get tan theta, and take this bracket sec theta minus 1 on left hand side. So you will get upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Take this tan theta left hand side, 1 tan theta on right hand side, it comes in the denominator. Okay, so here two fractions are equal, two ratios are equal. Okay, and therefore by theorem of equal ratio, each ratio means both. Out of these two ratio, each ratio, but we need only this ratio, so consider only one ratio as tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. That each ratio is equal to addition of numerators is equal to the ratio which is obtained by addition of their numerators upon addition of their denominators. So you will get tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon, in denominator there is sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta, and that we can rewrite as tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, and that only we have to prove. Okay, so in this way we have to solve these 4 examples. Now just 2 examples are left, we'll see. Now the 11th example is tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square is equal to sin a into cos a, that we have to prove. So we consider that LH is equal to, left hand side is equal to, that is tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square, that is equal to this tan a as it is, tan a as it is upon 1 plus tan square a, but 1 plus tan square is a is nothing but sec square a, identity is there, bracket square plus this cot a as it is upon this 1 plus cot square a, but 1 plus cot square a is nothing but cosec square a bracket square. These are the 2 identities. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, that is equal to, now we can rewrite this as tan a as it is, tan a, and just convert this division as divided by this sec raised to 4a, sec raised to 4, because power of power is there. So in that case we can take multiplication of those 2 powers. Okay, plus this cot a as it is, cot a as it is, divided by this is cosec raised to 4a. Okay, that is equal to, now convert sine into cos each term. So this tan a, sorry, not tan theta, tan a is nothing but sine a upon cos a, divided by this sec raised to 4a is nothing but 1 upon cos raised to 4a. Okay, in first bracket, plus now this cot a is nothing but cos a upon sin a, है ना, again division is there, divided by this cosec raised to 4 is nothing but 1 upon sin raised to 4a. Okay, that is equal to the sin a upon cos a. This division is there, just convert this division into multiplication, then we have to take reciprocal of this, that will come as cos raised to 4a upon 1. Okay, in first bracket, plus here cos a upon sin a multiplied by this sin raised to 4a upon 1. Okay, so this cos a, and from this cos raised to 4, one cos a get cancelled, only cos cube a is left, here sin a, here sin cube a is left. So you will get sin a into cos cube a in first bracket, plus in second bracket there is cos a into sin cube a. Okay, that is equal to this sin a into cos a, in bracket cos square a plus sin square a is left, that is equal to sin a into cos a into 1, because this is the standard identity, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and that is equal to, it is sin a into cos a, and that value is equal to RHS, and therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this 11th example. Okay, now the last example from this practice set 6.1, and that example is sec raised to 4a, 12th example. So for this example, again consider left hand side, that is sec raised to 4a into bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 into tan square a. Tan square a is equal to the sec raised to 4a. Sec raised to 4a is nothing but 1 upon cos raised to 4a. Okay, into bracket this 1 minus sin raised to 4. Sin raised to 4 we can write as sin square a bracket square, sin square a bracket square minus 2 into tan square a. ठीक है, that is equal to this 1 upon cos square a, cos raised to 4a. Now this is of the form a square minus b square, and we know a square minus b square a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. That is 1 minus, it is sine square a into bracket 1 plus, it is sine square a. Okay, minus 2 into this tan square a we can write as sine square a upon cos square a. ठीक है, that is equal to, now 1 minus sine square a, but 1 minus sine square a is nothing but cos square a upon this cos raised to 4a, okay, into bracket 1 plus sine square a minus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. So this cos square a and this cos raised to 4, cos square get cancelled, only cos square is left. Okay, so here you will get 1 plus sine square a upon cos square a minus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. So here both the fraction we have to take subtraction and both the denominators are same, so we can take denominator common as cos square a, and in numerator there is 1 plus sine square a minus 2 sine square a left. Okay, that is equal to this one, and plus sine square a minus 2 sine square a is nothing but minus sine square a divided by this cos square a we can write as since sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, and therefore cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a, right? So in place of this cos square a we can write as 1 minus sine square a. So this 1 minus sine square a, 1 minus sine square a get cancelled and only 1 is left, and that is equal to RHS, that is right hand side, and therefore LHS equal to RHS. ओके, सो इस तरह से जो है ये हमने एक्सरसाइज 6.1 जो है यहाँ पे क्या कर दी, कंप्लीट कर दी. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल सी द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. थैंक यू.